Dan Mathias from Avison Young. I'm an associate in the project management team based out of Manchester, and we've been providing project management support to East Cheshire NHS Trust for their new community diagnostic centre in Congleton. Avison Young found working with Premier Modular to be a great experience. They've been a really hands-on contractor, and Congleton War Memorial Hospital and this new community diagnostic centre is a real first-class facility that will definitely be providing better and more improved health outcomes for the local residents and the wider stakeholders and network. In terms of sort of the day-to-day approach that Premier have taken, they've always sort of approached it with an open mind, sort of being transparent, and ultimately when challenges have arisen, like they do in any project, it is a sort of all hands on deck. How do we resolve these issues and how do we keep momentum and progress carrying on the project? And I think that isn't necessarily an approach taken on board by all contractors, but is sort of what stands Premier out in this regard. You've sort of working together as one team rather than it being that contractor-client butting heads. I think a wider point that's also worth picking up on this is the Congleton site has been awaiting development for a long time. This has been the first sort of real piece of capital investment on a site in the last 10, 20 years. And ultimately what Premier have done has transformed this space. A site that was very congested, full of old buildings, now has what is going to be a flagship project for East Cheshire NHS Trust and offer a template for projects moving forward. So it's great to be here on sort of what is going to be one of the final days on the Community Diagnostic Centre project. We're nearing handover. There's been a lot of hard work go into this. The site team have been fantastic. And I think all we can say is hats off to them for the product that they have delivered.